Are you interested in learning how to generate money online? I'll teach you how to do it. All you need to do is simply follow these simple directions. The first step is to play the video. The second step is to watch it for at least 10 seconds. And the third step is to cash out your earnings and pay your bills. So right now, I'd like you to take a look at all of these videos that can help you make a lot of money online right here on your phone. If you're wondering how much money you can make by viewing videos, consider this. For every hour you watch, you can easily earn $40. You can make $80 if you watch for 2 hours and $120 if you watch for 3 hours. You can repeat this process as many times as you want. The best part is that it's absolutely free, so you won't have to pay anything to get started. Yes, it's available all over the world. All you need is a smartphone or a computer to get started, and you can literally start earning money right now. So, in this short video, I'll show you how to make a free account and give you some helpful recommendations. I'll also show you which videos will pay you the most money, as well as a live example on how to replicate this strategy so you can see me do it step by step. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. To make money online by using this strategy, you need to go to Google and enter swingbucks.com. When you arrive at this brand new website, it will look like this. As you can see, get paid every 15 seconds by the trusted and sustainable website. You may make money online by watching various videos and channels. And the earning potential in this manner is endless. I'll show you how to manage a very easy video in a moment. I'll show you how to view this 10-second advertisement and watch the video over and over again to earn money, which is exactly how these guys make a lot of money on this website every day. The insane thing is, you can earn money for free on this website in a variety of ways. You may first see advertisements and make money online. Second, you can earn money by clicking on the clicks grid. This is a fairly cool method. I'll show you something as a bonus at the end of this video, so keep watching. However, today's focus is on watching videos. As you can see, you can earn money just by watching videos. So for the time being, I just want to remind you to watch the complete video so you can grasp everything and get started making money online. First, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account on Swingbox. On their homepage, all you need to do is click on register right here. As you can see, this will take you to the sign up page. You can now register on your computer or on your phone. For the general information, all you need to do is enter your full name, username, password, and email address. For your payment account right here, just simply choose one that is convenient to you. You can choose Perfect Money, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Skrill, and RTM. For the image verification, just simply check the CAPTCHA right here. Don't forget to leave a check on this box to agree to their rules, and have a powerful click on this register button right here. For the second step, once you have already logged into your account, you will see a choice of advertisements and videos that you may watch to make money online. As you can see, this website currently has a lot of different firms on it. As a result, you have a variety of options for viewing daily advertisements. As a result, you'll find a variety of businesses here that provide you with fresh new advertisements that you may view to make money online. However, the most common issue that newbies have is choosing which company or video ad to watch and focus on in order to make the most money. For my first tip, I want you to concentrate on micro ads. I want you to focus on this category since you can earn money online by simply watching 10-second videos. As you can see, after playing the 10-second ads, it now plays a normal video, and all you need to do is wait for another ad to be played. By doing so, you will earn a lot of money online. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. For my next tip, I humbly suggest that you will be clicking this one right here to mute your video. You can then leave the video playing in the background as you go about your routine. You may complete your other work in another browser, making this a highly strong approach for watching numerous videos at once. As a result, if you have a PC or a phone, you can use it to open many browsers or various devices. The more videos you watch, the more money you earn. It's completely insane. You might make money over and over again by watching the video for 10 seconds. You'll notice that anytime you watch a video, there's always one video ad in front of it that will guarantee you a lot of money. And sometimes, you will see 2 to 3 ads in one video, which will allow you to earn more. Now, I want to give you another tip and ways to earn money on this website. All you need to do now is on the homepage is to maneuver your mouse on the upper portion of the site and click to earn money. By doing so, this will pop up and just simply click on this clicks grid right here. As you can see, each time you click on one of these little boxes right here, you have a chance to win up to $5. Now, all you have to do is pick any random box you like. Take for example, I will be clicking this box right here, which as you can see, opens up a random website. All you need to do on this website is nothing. Just wait for around 10 seconds and that's it. So, if you're lucky, you might be able to make $5. Swing Grid Clone is a simple game to play, as you can see. Simply click anywhere on the image to collect any boxes you desire, and you might win up to $5 in your account balance. Each click will take you to a sponsor's website which you must visit for up to 10 seconds. For example, if you click on this box right now, it will take you to a random website like shown here. So, just wait 10 seconds and do nothing, and you could win $5. Now, all of these boxes will refresh and you will be able to click on them again, providing you with another chance to earn money with Swing Bucks. So, once again, that's how all of these people from all over the world make money simply by viewing videos. And you can do the same by following all of the steps outlined in this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.